It's a short video about doubt. So if you're one of them people who, when you've had a driving lesson, there's a shadow at the back of you saying, you shouldn't be doing that, you're not good enough, then stay tuned. If you're okay and your confidence is great, then don't worry, bother watching the rest of this video. You've had your lesson and you've sat at home and you start to think about your driving lesson, and that shadow behind you saying to you, I don't know why you're on the road, you're not good enough. I don't know why you think about taking your driving test, you're definitely not going to pass. Or when you pass your driving test, what you're doing on the roads, you shouldn't be on the roads, you're not good enough. That shadow's niggling away at your confidence, it's making you doubt everything. So listen to your instructor. If they're saying to you, that's not bad, it's pretty good, then that's pretty good too. So don't worry about it. You know, I've had people in the past where I've said to them, that's a really good manoeuvre, well done. And they're nitpicking, they're saying, well, it wasn't perfectly straight, it wasn't perfect in the middle. And I'm saying to them, it doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it's safe. As long as it's safe, it's within things. As long as you're safe on the road, you're fine. That's why you're having driving lessons, isn't it? To be safe. So when you pass your driving test, you don't need the instructor or your family member to help you. So remember that while you're learning, it's okay to make little mistakes. Forget about shadow saying to you, you shouldn't be good enough, you shouldn't be doing this, that's a silly mistake. Listen to the instructor, listen to whoever's teaching you. They've got the advice, they've got the experience to make you good, to be safe on the roads. Okay, so take care and forget about that shadow telling you things that you don't need to hear. Good luck on the roads.